Taliban claims it shot down US B52 strategic bomber in Afghanistan. The Taliban claimed it shot down US B52 Stratofortress strategic bomber while it was taking off from Shorab Air Base in Helmand Province in southern Afghanistan. Mujahedin of the Islamic Emirate targeted US B52 bomber with heavy weapons today early morning in La area in Washir district of Helmand Province. The bomber went down and all its crew were killed while smoke still rising from the crash site, Taliban spokesman Qari Muhammad Yusuf Ahmad said.